Hello students. So from the exercise number 2.1 I had given you few examples as a homework. Let us see those examples. Then the next examples, that is left out examples, also we shall solve. Okay. So first one, the homework which I had given you was fifth example. A is equal to minus 1 comma plus 1. Find A cross A cross A. So like this one example I had already solved. So first we have to find A cross A. Okay. So A cross A find madbekandra minus 1 comma 1 cross product with minus 1 comma 1. Okay. So this is equal to. So with each element you have to make a ordered pair minus 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 with plus 1. Then 1 comma minus 1. Then 1 comma 1. So all ordered pairs you have to write. First minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 1 comma minus 1 1 comma 1. This is what A cross A. So next if you want A cross A idakkirtadla, again you have to take it one more A. So A cross A will be equal to what? So minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 comma plus 1 1 comma minus 1 1 comma 1. Cross product with minus 1 comma 1. This is again A. So A cross A ga mattond A multiply madidre A cross A ಬರ್ತದೆ. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, each ordered pair ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು element ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು you have to write it in the form of triplet, because A cross A, it is a 3 Cartesian product where you get the result in the form of a triplet. minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು element ಅದ? minus 1. So I will pair now minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, first triplet. Next minus 1 same bracket with plus 1. So this will be minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Next minus 1 plus 1 with minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Next same minus 1 with plus 1. Minus 1 with 1. Okay. So next minus 1 and 1 is over. Next 1 minus 1 with minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. So first element yaudada? minus 1. Next ida bracket 1 comma minus 1 with plus 1 I have to do. 1 comma minus 1 with plus 1. Next 1 comma minus 1 is over now. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 with minus 1. Next 1 comma 1 with 1. So this is what A cross A. So you can clearly see here. So minus 1 ada. So idana first term jote madbeka. Next ida same minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು second element ಜೊತೆ same this ordered pair minus 1 with the first element, minus 1 with the second element. Like that you have to write all the triplets. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 you are going to get. Okay, I hope you have solved this clearly. Okay, now the second example which I had given you as a homework. A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 comma 6, D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So first result what you have to prove, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection with A cross C. Second result, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. These both results you have to prove. So now I'll take up with the first one. A cross B intersection C. First one. A cross B intersection C. So first see B intersection C. What is B? 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection with C 5, 6. So this is what? Obviously this is null set. So B intersection C is what? Null set. Intersection under common elements. There are no common elements between B and C. Therefore it is null set. So A cross null set is equal to what? Again a null set. Okay. So E part mugit. Next right hand side part solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First A cross B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A cross B is equal to what? 1, 2 cross product with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1 with 4. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, okay, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So all the elements I have written. This is what? A cross B. Next what I have to do? A cross C. So A cross C I write now. Okay, what is A? 1, 2 cross product with C 5, 6. So this is equal to what? 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Just see A cross B and A cross C. Are there any common elements between these two? No. No ordered pair is common between A cross B and A cross C. Therefore, we can write A cross B intersection with A cross C is equal to what? Again a null set. So this is null set and this is also null set. So from this results we can say the first result holds good. So first result prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first B intersection C ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ cross product with A ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ null set ಬಂತು. Second you have to take these two. So A cross B first thing I have done. This is A cross B. Next A cross C ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is A cross C. If you compare A cross B and A cross B, intersection of that you have to take. So intersection of that is what? Again a null set. Therefore it is what? The result holds good. Okay. Next what I have to do? I have to take A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So I have to take both A cross C as well as B cross D. So I solve it here now. A cross C. This is second result what I am proving. A cross C is equal to 1, 2 cross product with 5, 6. So this is equal to 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 6. What about B cross D? So B cross D is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4 cross product with 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is equal to what? 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Next the element 2, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7 and 2, 8. Then 3, 5, 3 with 6, 3 with 7 and 3 with 8. Then 4 with 5, 4 with 6, 4 with 7 and 4 with 8. All the ordered pair you have to write it. Clear? Now compare 1, 5. Yes, 1, 5. 1, 6, 1, 6. 2, 5, 2, 5. 2, 6 and 2, 6. Every ordered pair which is there in A cross C it is also present in B cross D. Therefore, what happens? A cross C will be a subset of B cross D. Subset in definition in ಹೇಳ್ತದ every element in set A, if it is a element in set B, then it is known as what? Subset. Here also every ordered pair in A cross C is present in B cross D. Therefore, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay. So these were the two examples which I had given you as a homework. Next, I'll move on to the 8th example from your textbook. If A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4, write A cross B. And how many subsets will A cross B have? They have asked. So A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. So if I take A cross B, 1, 2 cross product with 3, 4. So ಎಲ್ಲ ordered pair ಬರಿಬೇಕು 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. This is A cross B. First part we have done. How many subsets are there in A cross B? So you know the formula to calculate subsets. It is the formula 2 raised to n. So n of A cross B, if you are finding, then 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 4. How many will have? 16 subsets form ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ A cross B ನಾಗ? ಸೊ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 raised to n. While finding the number of subsets, ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? 2 raised to n. How many ordered pair? 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered pair are. So 2 raised to 4 is how much? 16. 16 subsets you have. You have to list them. This is your work. All the 16 subsets you have to write it. Clear? So this is 8th example. Next, 9th one. Let A and B be two sets, such that n of A is equal to 3, n of B is equal to 2. And if x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A cross B, find A and B they have given. So what they have given? A cross B they have given you. What is A cross B? X, 1, y, 2 and z, 1. A cross B ಕೊಟ್ಟ. So A ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So x, y, z. What about B? B will be equal to 1, 2. Clear? So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, so you can write this elements. So what will be your A cross B if you write? So it will be equal to x, 1, x, 2, y, 1, y, 2, z, 1 and z, 2. So this is your A cross B. X with 1, x with 2, y with 1, y with 2, z with 1 and z with 2. So this is your A cross B. And in the question what they have given? x1, y2 and z1. These three are there in your ordered cross product A cross B. So x, 1, y, 2 and z, 1. So all these are there in our A cross B set. Therefore, the elements A and B are what? X, y, z and 1, 2. So ivu ಮೂರು ordered pairs x, y2 and z1. These are present in A cross B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. Yes, if you take A as x, y, z and B as 1, 2, then these three are what? It is present in your set. Okay, this is 9th one. I forgot to send the 10th example for your when I had sent you in the PDF file. The 10th example was missing. So the 10th example is what? The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements. Among them, minus 1, 0 and one more, I think. Maybe it is 1, 1 are found. So you have to find the remaining elements. Find remaining elements. Okay, the question is finds to be little twisted. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. A cross A ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 9 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. So means what? It should be 3 into 3 which is equal to 9. So A should have how many elements now? A should have 3 elements. What are those 3 elements? Minus 1, 0 and 1. So A will be equal to minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, repeat mado agilla elements na. So minus 1, 0 and plus 1. These are the 3 elements in A. I am not sure about this. 1, 1 ne kottidaro athwa 0, 1. Some ordered pair is given along with this. Means 2 ordered pairs they have given. Any element if they give, you have to write the complete A cross A for this to find the remaining elements. So A set you find madidri. What is A set? Minus 1, 0, 1. Why 3 elements? Because they have given A cross A has 9 elements. Therefore set A will have 3 elements. Which are those 3 elements? Minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Now I take up with A cross A. So A cross A is equal to enagtada minus 1, 0 plus 1 cross product with minus 1, 0 plus 1. Okay. Now I have to write all the ordered pairs. Minus 1 with minus 1. Minus 1 with 0. Okay. Minus 1 with plus 1. Next 0 element tagoteni. 0 with minus 1. 0, 0. 0 with plus 1. Okay, next 1 with minus 1. 1 with 0 and 1, 1. So totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 elements you have got it. Okay, among which 2 they have already found. The remaining elements minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Except these, all these are what? The remaining elements of the product A cross A. So this is exercise number 2.1 which is based on Cartesian product. So Cartesian product based on that examples up to last 10 examples from exercise number 2.1 is completed. So next part I'll take up with relation, definition of a relation, what is domain, what is range of a relation. Then we shall see the examples from the relations chapter. Okay, thank you.